Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and this right here next to me is my awesome treadmill, the Go Plus 2-in-1. One of the things I looked at is the remote. Without this remote, you can't do anything. So what I want to do, and I need to find a better way to put this in here. I'm going to straighten this out. I'm going to store the remote control right on top where you can't wander off, and I can actually still operate from that position. So today we're going to talk about the lubrication. I read the manual, and what you have to do is back to the treadmill, and some of this may apply to other products, but I can only speak for this one. There is a screw back here. You can feel it. What you want to do is you want to set up your wrench like this. Get onto that screw and turn left. You want to count the time it turns. You can do it at the same time, you can do one at a time. So this is turn number 9. And this one's on turn number 8. So this right here makes 9. What this does is it loosens the tension on the belt. Now back here, my left side is a little tighter. But what you can do is you can move it up, kind of put your hand underneath it. Now I don't want to add too much tension to this thing here, but what I went ahead is I took the lubricating oil that was provided, and I also bought some extra. The Spot On lubricant here that I got as an extra package, separate purchase, has a longer straw, so it's easier to reach the center of the treadmill. But pretty much what you're doing is you're putting that all underneath here on this side, and you move over and you do the same thing on this side to the length of this. Kind of the zigzag pattern is the best way. They caution not to over oil. I'm just going to go and kind of base it on use and squeaking. So now that everything is done, what you want to do is you want to reverse the process of what you did. So tighten it, loosening it was to the left, so we're going to go to the right. So you would go 1, 2, 3. That's 3 on this side. You would do the 9 to get it back to the tension that you had. Same thing on this side, like so you can alternate. Just make sure you have the same amount of turns and make sure the belt is actually sitting on here straight. And then one last thing we're going to check that we didn't do on the intro. We're going to check how well this thing actually fits under the bed. So power switch off, cable out, open handle. This thing will not fall forward. We'll go backwards, in and secured with the latch, and roll it in. So I got some stuff underneath mine, but this will fit perfectly under my bed. Guys, if you have any questions on this product, let me know. Again, there's 2 modes of operation. The one that we talked about earlier is the set up version. Actually, while we're here, we can look at the down version, but we'll do that at a later time since the belt still needs to be tightened. Anyway, questions or problems, let me know. My name is Rudy. Thanks for watching.